Welcome to Module 6, Materials and Hardware. In this video, we will go through all the questions required by the European Aviation Safety Agency, Part 66. Subsection 6.1, Aircraft Materials, Ferrous. Tempering steel, gives greater brittleness, greater hardness, relief of internal stress after hardening. The correct answer is relief of internal stress after hardening. The addition of chromium to steel will produce toughness, hardness, ductility. The correct answer is hardness. Chromium added to plain carbon steel increases its resistance to corrosion, turns it into a non-ferrous alloy, makes the metal softer. The correct answer is increases its resistance to corrosion. With respect to ferrous metals, which of the following is true? Iron is not any element of ferrous metals. Iron is a main element and most ferrous metals are magnetic. Iron is a main element and ferrous metals are not magnetic. The correct answer is iron is a main element and most ferrous metals are magnetic. The annealing process on steel is required sometimes, as it provides a corrosion-resistant layer that prevents oxidation, allows the material a greater stress per unit area, relieves internal stress suffered after engineering processes. The correct answer is relieves internal stress suffered after engineering processes. When normalizing, the material is quenched immediately, left to cool in room temperature, cooled slowly. The correct answer is left to cool in room temperature. When metal is first heated slightly above its critical temperature, and then cooled rapidly, it is common that the metal will increase in brittleness, hardness, both of the above. The correct answer is both of the above. Tempering of hardened steel is carried out to retain surface hardness but soften the core, retain core hardness but soften the surface, significantly reduce the brittleness without suffering a major drop in its strength. The correct answer is significantly reduce the brittleness without suffering a major drop in its strength. During a Rockwell hardness test, what dimension is measured? The diameter of the indent, the depth of the indent, the diameter and depth of the indent. The correct answer is the depth of the indent. What does the 0 in 2024-T3 mean? The percentage of impurities in the alloy. The alloy has not been modified. The alloy has been modified. The correct answer is the alloy has not been modified. Impact resistance measures the material toughness, material hardness, material ductility. The correct answer is material toughness. In the tensile strength test, the material is pulled to limit of elasticity. The material is pulled until it breaks. The material is pulled until it reaches its UTS. The correct answer is the material is pulled until it breaks. Which of the following are all hardness testing machines? Rockwell, Brunel, and EASA. Rockwell, Vickers, and EASA. Rockwell, Brunel, and Vickers. The correct answer is Rockwell, Brunel, and Vickers.